What is America? Is it a borderless economic zone? A playground for global elites who seek to optimize it for GDP, corporate profits, and economic efficiency?
No one has a monopoly on what it means to be an American. No one.
Is it a purely propositional nation? A creed of individualism, markets, and meritocracy?
America is the only nation founded on an idea, not on an identity.
America is freedom. Freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of enterprise.
Is it a decadent empire, destined to decay into debauchery and degeneracy, fated to be fought over by an influx of foreigners, and balkanized by tribes competing in the ruins for the last of the rotting spoils?
America is a nation of immigrants.
This country belongs to everyone.
What is America? To know who we are, we must know where we came from. We are a nation of pilgrims and pioneers who left our homeland and crossed the wine-dark sea in order to found a city on a hill. From Plymouth Rock and Jamestown, we tamed a continent, planting cherry trees and chopping a few down, building houses on the prairie and log cabins in the woods, all while speaking softly and carrying a big stick. We have an Anglo-Protestant heritage, forged on frontier after frontier and propelled westward under spacious skies, across amber waves of grain, up through purple mountains' majesty, and completing our errand into the wilderness at the great Pacific Ocean. We were founded as a republic of true liberty, whose heroes defied kings and parliaments, sparked revivals with a hot gospel, rose up from slavery, stormed beaches, and with one small step, planted a flag on the moon.
That's one small step for man.
One nation, under God, with a common language, similar customs, and a loyalty to the land of the free and the home of the brave. But like Jeshurun, we have waxed fat and kicked. We are now a nation of prodigals, squandering our inheritance in a far country, rolling in the mire and longing for the slop. But it doesn't have to be this way. At New St. Andrews College, we are preparing a generation of Christian leaders who will shape our culture and live faithfully under the lordship of Christ, who will demolish the strongholds of secularism and resist the lies of Islam, Hinduism, and the Rainbow Mafia. We plunder the past to build the house of God today, while singing and praying and laughing and feasting and asking God to shed His grace on us, to refine our gold and to mend our every flaw. Our humble and holy ambition is to revive the pioneering spirit that forged America, grounded in a living faith in the living God, and to extend the kingdom of Christ from sea to shining sea. So what is America? It's a people. It's a nation. It's our home. And it's worth fighting for. New St. Andrews College, building leaders to make America Christian again.